Hello guys, welcome to Gist Media TV. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe and also click the notification bell to get notified anytime we drop a new video. Yoruba socio-political group Afenifere on Friday condemned the attempt by operatives of the Nigerian police force and the men of the Department of State Service to arrest Yoruba rights activist Sunday Adeyemo, better known as Sunday Igboho. In an exclusive interview, Afenifere spokesman Yinka Odumaki said the machinery of the government would not have been after Igboho were he a bandit. It was earlier reported that pandemonium broke out on Friday along the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway when Igboho and his supporters were on their way to meet with 93-year-old Afenifere chieftain Ayo Adebanjo. In a viral video, a shirtless Igboho was seen with his men daring the security operatives and throwing expletives. Speaking with newsmen after the incident, Odumaki said there is no sense in that attempt of arrest. He is a free citizen of Nigeria. If they need him for any questioning, they should invite him and not to go and waylay him on way like an armed robber. We condemn their attempt. There is no need for it. He has not been invited, let alone not honoring the invitation. Chasing him on the road is condemnable. The Afenifere spokesman lamented that the regime of the president, Major General Muhammadu Buhari, favored bandits who have been left roaming the country despite their many atrocities. When asked whether the group was concerned that security agencies were after Igboho and not bandits, the Afenifere spokesman said, Sunday Igboho is not a bandit. Bandits are special under this administration. That is the difference between a bandit and a non-bandit in Nigeria today, Odumaki stressed. Igboho rose to prominence last month when he issued an eviction notice to herdsmen accused of sundry crimes in the Ibarapa area of Oyo State and enforced same. Presidential spokesman Govt has said the Inspector General of Police, Muhammad Adamu, ordered the arrest of the rights activists, but many Nigerians had condemned such move, insisting that the security agencies should instead summon popular Islamic scholar Sheikh Ahmad Gumi, who has been seen hobnobbing with bandits in the forests of Zamfara and Niger states of late.
ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀ ni lọ́ṣẹ́ ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀ lọ́ṣẹ́ lọ dáná dè yín ni pé wọ́n ti ní information pé ẹ máa gbàgbé yẹn kọjá.
kò yé mi rárá information ni wọ́n fi wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ fún abẹ yẹn.
Táwọn ọmọ gbogbo afẹ́ mọ̀ ní sí ni pé ṣé àlàáfíà lẹ wà báyìí àti pé kí ni ìgbésẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tí a ti ń sọ fún ìjọba pé kán ṣe sùúrù díẹ̀díẹ̀ àìtorí pé àlàáfíà yín àti security yín ó ṣe kókó ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ gbogbo alógún kò ń ṣàyìn nìkan ló máa gbé gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjìrè ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá pátápátá ni wọ́n máa gbé. Ẹ bá mi torí mo mọ̀ pé busy but ẹ bá mi sọ fún àwọn tó ń gbọ́ wa kí ni ṣé àlàáfíà lẹ wà báyìí àti pé ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ síbi tẹ́ ń lọ yẹn ni àbẹ́ ti padà sílé. Mo ní ṣé ẹ ṣì ń padà lọ síbi tẹ́ ń lọ yẹn ni àbẹ́ ti padà sílé. Mo ní ṣé ẹ ṣì ń darí lọ síbi tẹ́ ń lọ yẹn àbẹ́ ti padà sílé.